Hello everybody and welcome back to our latest episode of Tom Talks. My name is Tom with Crandall & Associates Insurance Agency and we're here to talk about all things insurance. With summer in full swing, people are going out, taking vacations, renting cars. So today's topic is all about, do I need to purchase the insurance from the rental car company? And like all of our favorite answers in insurance, it depends, right? Generally speaking though, your personal auto policies do extend the liability to non-owned vehicles, which can also include hired vehicles as well, i.e. rented vehicles. However, some carriers are very specific on things like that, so it's always best to double check with your agent to make sure that your liability will extend to those vehicles, as sometimes there's also stipulations on the size of that vehicle too, so just something that you want to be aware of when renting vehicles. And then another thing you want to ask your agent is, will the physical damage coverage extend to that rented vehicle? Because here again, it depends on the carrier, and some do, some don't. Another thing you might want to keep in mind is that if your physical damage does extend, you are still going to be subject to your deductible if something happens to that rented vehicle. So if your deductible is $1,000 and you're really not set to pay that, for whatever personal reason or what have you, you can buy the coverage from the rental company, because in those instances, it is a waiver of damage. There's really not a deductible on it. But of course, too, it's all about your own personal risk level and what you're comfortable with. So, moral of the story, double check with your agent. Just be sure, especially when you're renting vehicles, to make sure you're protected in the event that something does happen. So, that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time.